Video, I'll show you how to use the Binance Exchange's trading discount code to permanently reduce the trading fee by 20%, unlike Vouchers, which have a limit. If you click on the humanoid icon at the top right, you find the reward center, or if it's not visible here, you click to add translation. Navigate to this section where they have a gift and campaign area. Click here and it will take you to the reward center section. Click here and then OK. You will check in and complete tasks to receive this voucher discount. Alright, I currently have 3 of these perpetual trading discounts. If you got them, just click here to use them. Clicking now, so it's showing that I'm using it. It's discounted to $30. Since I am going to try this code now. Click here to use this. It's working successfully now. Price Beam machine has some limitations. Limited today. Reduce fees by 20% consistently, not just as a one-time thing. View my futures account. Click here to view. Click on this corner, the right corner. Scroll over here to see the transaction history. See that when I trade, I get transaction fees refunded like this. Is consistent. Time you open or close an order, you'll get a refund. See, if you trade about 1 million in volume, you'll save a few $100s. See, these are refundable fees. Real money, folks. This is the website you can use. I've summarized all the exchanges here. EX, Binance, OKEx, MSC, CoinEx, WestGetio, BitGet, Depsin, ITT, and BitMax. Take Binance as an example. Vouchers fees are make a 0.02%, comma, take a 0.05%. Paid $1 million volume as a maker, you'll pay $200 in fees. It'd be $500. Register a new account using code QCXU3G, you'll get a 20% fee rebate. It can further reduce your fees. You can combine both for optimal profitability. Example, with a $1 million trading volume at 0.04%, comma, the fee is only $400. $100 in fees, and this $160 marker will save you $40 in fees. refund, and if you use all features, you'll get a $100 refund. And use this system, it's also beneficial. A 20% refund. Platforms, there's proof of refunds here too. Click the link and register. Things calculated for you. An account, you'll need to delete it. Draw all your funds from Binance. Account management. Account, then don't use this account. It won't let you delete. First. Register again using the link below. And your ID to verify. 20% fee discount to choose from.